Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody is doing great, and if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Jeshna. Welcome to Jespace. And if you have not subscribed me yet, please do subscribe, and please do not forget to like, share and comment. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all with a new remedy so that you can get rid of your oily skin. If you're suffering from oily skin, so this is the video which you definitely need to see. Multani Mitti is widely used for beauty and skincare remedies. It can also get rid of your oiliness and give you a healthy glow. This clay can help you to treat your acne and other skin conditions. Stay with me till the end of the video to find out how you can use Multani Mitti on your skin and you will not regret it.
So here I'm using Multani Mitti face pack and rose water. To prepare the face mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of Multani Mitti and add few drops of rose water, and then we will mix them together to get a smooth paste. Wash your face with a cleanser and then set your hair. And now with the help with a brush, we will apply the face mask on our face. So this DIY face pack is for oily skin, and it also helps in removing sweat, dead skin cells and impurities from the skins.
Allergy with Multani Mitti, I recommend you do not use it at all. And still, if you're not sure about it, always test a little patch on your hands and behind your ears. Absolutely no, since Multani Mitti has a super absorbing properties. It can strip away your skin's natural oils and it can damage its barrier. So do not use it more than once or twice a week. So yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you have any queries, any doubts, you can definitely comment below. I'll be here to reply you all. And do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. Anyway, so yes, I'll meet you in the next video soon, and take care everybody. Love you, take care, and stay connected to Jespace. Bye.